Hey, welcome to another Buttons Fix It here. Today I have this piece of highly tarnished brass that we're going to polish up. It's super simple to do. First thing you're going to want to do is check if this is pure brass or if it's plated. Just take a regular magnet from the fridge, and if it does not stick to it, you got pure brass here. If the magnet sticks, it's plated. You can still go ahead and polish it. You just have to be careful because you can polish the plating off. So this is a solid piece of brass. You really don't need any fancy chemicals or anything to get this job done. We're just going to take a little bit of plain white vinegar. I'm going to put it in this Pyrex here. Only need to put in enough to just cover that piece of brass. So probably not even a quarter cup there. I want to go and throw this in the microwave and get it nice and hot. All right, a minute should be good. It's plenty hot. Carefully put this brass in here. You can see that's fully submerged. All right, well, that's soaking in the hot vinegar for a couple minutes. We're gonna be using steel wool to polish this. I'm gonna get grade quadruple 0, 4 zeros. It's the finest one you can buy on the shelf. Anything coarser and you're gonna run a risk of scratching up the brass. So, yep, use 4/0 steel wool. Carefully pull this out of the hot vinegar. Still pretty toasty, so just make sure you don't burn yourself. You can see it's got this copper color to it. That's fine. It'll clean up nicely here. Grab the 4/0 and get to work polishing. Some better lighting here. Better lighting so you can see how quickly this cleans up. So here we are with the 4/0 steel wool. And you can just see it's like magic there. Beautiful. So I'm not even putting much pressure on here. Working back and forth. Cotton cloth here. There you have it, just a little bit of hot vinegar and some 4/0 steel wool. Back to a nice, beautiful brass shine. And you go ahead and, continue to polish it or do anything else if you want, but I was just trying to get off that nasty tarnish. Wasn't really trying to do much more than that. So if this was helpful to you, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And want to see more of this stuff that I'm working on, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That really helps me out, and I greatly appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and take care.